President and state leaders are trying to determine when to open up the country without creating another wave of COVID-19 infections. So who's keeping track of the number of recoveries? News 6 investigator Adriana Ivashinsky is looking at the local and state guidelines facing those recovering from the contagious virus.
Right now, we know Johns Hopkins University is keeping track of the number of recoveries worldwide. And while they do have a country-by-country breakdown, they do not break it down by state. We checked, and right now, the Florida Department of Health is not posting the number of recoveries on their dashboard.
And I'm totally okay now.
Gabriella Bovona is one of more than 300 people in Seminole County who tested positive for COVID-19 and who has reportedly recovered from the virus. She even requested and received this letter from the health department clearing her from quarantine. But she says she has been staying home with her mom just to be safe.
I specifically asked to receive documentation confirming that just in case anything were to happen.
It appears certain counties are keeping track of recoveries. We presented questions on Facebook Live today during Seminole County's emergency management briefing. Early on, Director Alan Harris had this to say.
We are at 313 positive cases of COVID-19 in the county, and 218 of those are completed. So completed, again, that just means that they have no signs and symptoms and they have met their entire quarantine and isolation periods.
Seminole County's Department of Health confirms they are following the guidelines set forth by the CDC, which includes being fever-free for at least 3 days and having at least 7 days pass since symptoms first appear. Those in the healthcare field also have to test negative on 2 follow-up tests within a 24-hour period. Gabriella says since there are only a limited number of tests, she will never truly know if she was free of COVID-19.
I was worried about a stigma originally, but not so much now since I know I'm not going to be contagious to anyone.
News 6 has reached out to the state asking for their definition of recovered. So far, we have not heard back.